Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down. Now you need to select Display and Brightness. Scroll down again, click on Font and Display Size. Scroll down one more time and click on this dot over here under Font Size. Then swipe left or right in order to adjust it, and when you're ready, save your changes by tapping on Apply. And now, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!